Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Price, ang visual artist from Manila. And today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Toy Kingdom para mamili ng mga toys natin. Pero papasalamat muna tayo sa mga sponsors natin. Okay? Thank you very much, YOLO Park, for sponsoring yung channel natin, Ralph Cifra, sa YouTube channel. Meron na tayong mga 22k plus na subscribers. Thank you. Sa Facebook naman meron na tayong 14,000 followers. And sa Instagram meron tayong I think 2k plus. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you very much. Very soon magkakaroon tayo ng mga giveaway. Pero right now, I'm really thankful sa mga sponsors natin. So first and foremost, Laruanan. Thank you very much. Laruanan, YOLO Park, thank you. And Blockies, yung Blockies nandito lang siya. Blockies, thank you din. Tsaka Hero Paints and Savior Cool. Yung Savior Cool, nandito yung fan nila. Wait lang. Ayun, thank you din Savior Cool for keeping me cool habang namimili ng mga toys. Thank you very much for sending this. And sa Blockies din, thank you. Ayan, thank you din Blockies for sending this for unboxing, review, and customization. Thank you very much sa mga sponsors natin. Okay? So ito mamaya i-build natin to. And yung mga toys and collectibles from Blockies, YOLO Park, Laruanan. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sending those paints for our future projects. And sa Savior Cool, yun nga, for keeping me cool habang namamasyal dito sa SM North, Toy Kingdom. Thank you very much. Ayun, thank you din pala ZD Toys. Actually, thank you Banky na dahil available na ito sa Toy Kingdom mga ma'am. So we have Captain America, ayan, Mark 1 na may Hall of Armor. 4-inch lang yun mga ma'am sir ha. This one, Mark 6 with Hall of Armor. This one naman from upgraded suit from No Way Home, 1,999. Thank you very much for making this available sa Toy Kingdom, SM North EDSA. At least pag meron kayong kailangan ng mga suits for your displays, meron sila dito. Okay? So right now, meron silang 3 Spider-Mans and isang Captain America and 2 Iron Man na may Hall of Armor. So yun muna yung available. Update ko na lang kayo kapag meron pa silang ibang armors. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye bye.